Hello and welcome to another video of Solidity Do-It-Yourself tutorials. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about function types, and there are 4 function types. It can be seen, or you can learn more about that from the Solidity documentation. But from our practical use case perspective, we are looking at a function. So 4 types: internal, external, public, and view, and pure. So external function, internal functions, public functions, view, and pure. So now I'm going to define a view function. That means a function that can only view data from the blockchain. Again, no gas cost because we are not going to be modifying the state of the blockchain. So how to write that? It's function get new balance. Again, please focus on the standard G lowercase and then new balance n caps b caps. Public view returns. So public, which was the previous function as well, so no change there, but I added the word view. So it's a view only function. It's a getter function that only gets data from the blockchain, and you have returns an integer, which is going to be the balance. Next, it returns bank balance. So if I click on that function rather than the variable, it's going to return me the blank bank balance, and I'm going to close the function. Very simple. I'm going to quickly compile and deploy that function. So if I deploy this, and look at that, the get new function, the get new balance function is in the blue color as the variable. So now I'm going to first check the bank balance, and I can click on the get new balance as well. Now if I say 10, it'll be 59 because you have amount minus 1 and bank balance plus amount. So I have to execute new balance and get, so it says 59. And if you look at it, even the get new balance function has a call and not a tick in front of it. And you would see that there is no, the execution cost is only applied when called by a contract, but there is no execution cost for this particular function. So now this is how we have written a very simple exercise wherein we have defined few variables for our bank use case, a function that can update, and we are going to work on this again and then get new balance. In the next set of videos, we will learn with a use case lot of interesting things about Solidity and how it all comes together. Again, thank you for watching.